Right. Alright, YouTubers, holding the newly made flywheel key. Made out of that bolt you saw part 1. And it fits perfect. It should, at least. It did. Son of a bitch. Alright, I think I got it to where it's gonna work. I'm gonna set you guys down now to put everything on. It kind of takes 2 hands to do this. Because it's got the whatever you call it, the cast iron maybe. Looks like cast iron. Balls. Alrighty, so far so good. This crankshaft is just about garbage. So I'll show you. There she be. Good, no play. Good. This is actually a pretty good crankshaft, or the pretty good flywheel key I built. So, hip hip hooray. Gotta make sure that locks. There's little keys, little knobs that stick out. Every engine's a little bit different, so it might be different on your engine, but just, you know. As I told you, these threads are really, really weak. So. Lock it in. Now, what mostly happens when these flywheel keys break is either you don't have your little nut on real tight, or you, like with your lawnmower, or push mower, you hit the blade with something that can usually hit the crankshaft or like the flywheel key. that's what I usually do. Make sure it's nice and tight. I stick something right there. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Alrighty, I think this engine might work again. Hopefully. I really love this engine bed. My head bolts. I might try firing it up in this video. It's being an old cold start. This thing hasn't started since, I'd say, probably 3 months. Probably. At least. I think the flywheel's key. The flywheel key's been out of it for quite a while now. So. I guess I will tighten these head bolts up tighter than just in that driver, but. Here pretty soon I'm going to have a diaphragm carburetor rebuild. So if you'd like to check that out, it probably won't be today, it'll probably be tomorrow. I get that. Here she is. It's for it to come to the motor, but I got to get this rebuilt because it's been sitting under. That thing was actually buried for a while. I got to get that going because I got to put that on my tiller. Because that one's got the bent import shaft thing for the gas line. The other one don't, and it hits the lower housing cover, and it breaks the fuel line. It keeps ripping the fuel line. So you put that on, because my dad don't even know about that. I told him the thing runs great. Because if I can get a belt and pulley and get that thing going, he'll buy that thing for a reasonable price, because he actually helped pay for all this crap we got in the first place, so it has to be a reasonable price. I mean, I might double my money on my belt and pulley or something, $30 or something. Alright, too, I'm going to check the oil on it. Should be perfect, shouldn't have a brand new oil. And we're good, right to the bottom of the threads. So perfect. See if I've got any primer gas. Squirt ball gas. Oh, imagine that. Which gas we got? Gas tank. None. Right. Let's see. I'm going to have to siphon gas out of something. So, this has to be a different video because I'm going to have to siphon gas out of it. So, see you guys later.